Okay, so the next section we're going to talk about, it says verify if it's tangent to a circle. It says show that ED is tangent to the circle. So here's our problem here. We got a circle. Here's our tangent line here. We have our radius here. And then we have our other side here, AD. So if you look here, inside of this circle we have a triangle. And we know that if you have a tangent line and a radius, it forms a 90 degree, which is perpendicular. So it forms at 90 degree. And so that will help us label. So it says AD here is 17. So AD is 17. That's this side over here. It says AE is 8. Then it says BD is 15. And I think I might have wrote over the B somewhere. Okay. So now what it's asking us, it says prove that this circle is tangent. The verified tangent to a circle. So what we have to do is first label your triangle. So across from the 90 is our hypotenuse. Always your hypotenuse. Then the other two, because they didn't give me any angles, have to be legs. Okay? And so we can use our modified formula. Leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. I love this formula. You won't find this on the formula sheet. Your formula sheet is going to say a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Either formula you like to use, they both work the same way. You just got to know a and b are your legs and c is your hypotenuse. And so all I'm going to do now is plug in the information I have. I know one of my legs is 8, so it's going to be 8 squared. And I know my other leg is 15 squared. And then my hypotenuse is 17 squared. Well, all I have to do to figure out if it's tangent is plug in this side into my calculator and see what I get. Then I'm going to plug in the other side. So let me pull up my calculator for y'all. So I'm pulling up my calculator and I'm just going to put in there 8 squared. Well, let me clear it out. So 8 squared plus 15 squared. And I'm going to see what I get. Well, I got 289. Okay? So I need to do the other side. I'm going to do 17 squared. So we do 17 squared. And we see what we get. We get 289. So they are equal, and that's what we want to prove their tangent. So they are tangent because they're both equal when we complete it. And this is the work that they did, but I kind of did mine separately. Okay? So, try number 4 and number 6 and see if the problems are tangent. So you can watch this video as many times as you want.